I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Hey, Danny at Dynodaze. So today we've got a Colt CZT in the workshop and it's having a few little issues. We've diagnosed a weak fuel pump, but it turns out that it's actually a split line inside the fuel pump assembly housing. So Richard here is busy sorting that out, and hopefully that'll have it fixed. We're going to get some videos up of it on the dyno. We've been swapping some parts out today to try and diagnose some issues, like a MAF sensor. Took one off a working car, my car. It's I like to vulturize my car, but just to confirm that that's okay. But it looks like we've diagnosed that problem, and we're going to get mapping and see what we get. So figures at the end, some videos of the car on the dyno. Fake taxi, what a legend. Speak soon.